So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at one of the most efficient ways of sending or transferring files from one phone to another phone. Here I have a Samsung M31 and here I have a Samsung M51 with me, and trust me, this method works wonderfully well for Samsung. So I will simply go ahead to my settings. You can see I have not turned on my Bluetooth. I simply turn on Quick Share, and similarly on the other phone as well, I go ahead and figure out where my Quick Share is. I simply turn that on. Now once that has been done, it's simply as easy as that. I head towards my gallery or anywhere else where I want to transfer a file. I simply select the file, tap on share, and automatically it will search for the other device. So here the other device is Galaxy M51, which has been found. I simply tap on this and it gets connected. And unlike Bluetooth and other things, it really doesn't have much trouble. So it immediately kind of establishes the connection, and here you can see that the file sharing has started. Now, to be very honest, I have tried with Bluetooth, with different apps, but the Quick Share really works very quick, very big file sizes can be sent across seamlessly. So go ahead and do this. Let me know how it works for you. And here you can see that the file has already been started to be shared. And there you go. The file has been sent and the file has been received. And you can go ahead and open this. You can also see this in your gallery. So everywhere it's like just perfect. So guys, do let me know how you find this Quick Share feature. Also, if you find this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Please do share this with your friends and family, because many of us only use Bluetooth. None of us are much aware of such native applications which are built onto your phone. So go ahead, use Quick Share, use Nearby Share, check out my other tutorials and let me know how you find it. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.